Ninth Standard Mathematics. Set Language Part 2. Exercise 1.1. Which of the following are sets? Number 1, the collection of prime numbers up to 100. Number 2, the collection of rich people in India. Number 3, the collection of all rivers in India. 4, the collection of good hockey players. In these 4, the collection of prime numbers up to 100 is a well-defined collection, and hence this is a set. Number 2, the collection of rich people in India. Rich people is not a well-defined collection of objects, so this is not a set. The collection of all rivers in India. This is also a well-defined collection of objects. That is, the number of rivers in India is well defined, so this is a set. Number 4, the collection of good hockey players. Good hockey players is not well defined, so this is not a set. The next one is the list the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Here we need to list these in roster form. 1. India. 2. Parallelogram. 3. Mississippi. 4. Czechoslovakia. Number 1. India. In India, if you write these words, this word as a set of letters, you can write it like I-N-D-A. I should not be repeated again, so I-N-D-A is the first one's answer. In parallelogram, the second question, parallelogram, here first letter P, A, R, A is not required, L, another L is there, that's not required, E, L, this is not required, O, G, R already present, so this is not required, A, we have written it already, so this is not required, and then M. We need to write the letters only once. So for parallelogram, P, A, R, L, E, O, G, M is the set of letters in parallelogram. So what is the set of letters in this Mississippi? Third one, M, I, S, P. So we need not repeat S and I again. This P is also should not be repeated. Then the fourth one is Czechoslovakia. In this, without repeating the letters, if we write the set of letters in this word, the set of letters in Czechoslovakia are C, Z, E, H, O, S, L, O already we have written, so this is not required, V, A, K and I. A is already present, so we omit this. So the set of letters in the word Czechoslovakia is C, Z, E, H, O, S, L, V, A, K and I. Consider the following sets: A equal to 0, 3, 5, 8, B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 10, and C equal to 12, 14, 18 and 20. A. State whether true or false. 1. 18 belongs to C. Is this true? 18 belongs to C? Yes. So this is true. The second one, 6 is not an element of A. 6 is not an element of A. This is also true. Here 6 is not present in set A. So this is correct and this is true. The third one is 14 is not an element of C. 14 is an element of C. So this is wrong. So third one, the answer for third one is false. Fourth one, 10 is an element of B. B. In B, 10 is present. So 10 is an element of B. So this is correct. And hence, number 4 is true. 5 is an element of B. Is 5 in the set B? No, 5 is not here. So this is not true. So this is false. 5 is an element of B is false. See, 5 is not present in B. So this one is false. Then the sixth one is 0 belongs to the set B. 0 is 0 in the set B? No. So this is also wrong. And the answer for this is false. The next one is fill in the blanks. Number 1, 3 is an element of dash. Where is 3? 3 is an element of set A. So A should be here. Then the second one is 14 is an element of dash. Where is 14? 14 is an element of C. So here you should write C. C is the answer for 2. Then the third one is 18 dash B. In B is 18 there. We need to see whether 18 is present in B. No, 18 is not present. So which symbol should you insert here? Here, not an element of symbol should be used. So 18 is not an element of or does not belong to B. So the symbol to be used here is this. Then the fourth one, 4 is dash B. 4 here, 4 is present in B. So what we should say? 4 is an element of B. So here 4 is an element. So this symbol should be inserted here. 4 is an element of B or 4 belongs to B is the answer. So this is the symbol that should be inserted here. Represents the following sets in roster form. 1. A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Second one, B is equal to Y such that Y is equal to 1 by 2n. N is an element of natural numbers and n should be less than or equal to 5. The third one is C is equal to X such that X is perfect cube and X should be less than, it should be greater than 27 and it should be less than 216. The fourth one is D is equal to X such that X is an element of integers and X should be greater than minus 5 and it should be less than or equal to 2. So let us see the first one. A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So all the even natural numbers less than 20 should be listed. So 20 should not be included. the numbers less than 20 should be included. So A will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. 20 should not be included. So the answer is A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. The second problem is B is equal to Y, such that Y is equal to 1 by 2n and n is an element of natural numbers and n should be less than or equal to 5. Here we can see that n is an element of natural numbers. So n will be n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This should be less than or equal to 5. So till 5 we need to include. For n is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. So the answer will be 1 by 2. For n is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. For n is equal to 3, the answer will be 1 by 6. For n is equal to 4, y is equal to 1 by 8. And for n is equal to 5, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 5, that is equal to 1 by 10. So the answer will be like this. B is equal to set of 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. Since n is till n is equal to 5 should be included, we have included 1 by 10 too. Then the third one is C is equal to X, such that X is a perfect cube and it should be between 27 and 216. Equal to is not mentioned here, so we should not include 27 or 216. So let us see that. This is a cube root chart. See, 0 cubed is equal to 0, 1 cubed is equal to 1, 2 cubed is equal to 8, 3 cubed is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27, 4 cubed is equal to 64, 5 cubed is equal to 125 and 6 cubed is equal to 216. We need to find the cube root, perfect cube, between 27 and 216. So the answer will be 64 and 125. So we can write the answer like this. C is equal to set of 64, 125. Then the fourth one is D is equal to X, such that X is an element of integers. X should be between -5 and it should be till 2, that is less than or equal to 2. So D is equal to -4. -5 should not be included because equal to is not here, less than equal to is not here, only less than number should be included. So -5 should not be included, we have included only -4. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. We have included 2 because here it's mentioned equal to, less than or equal to. So that's 2. So D is equal to set of -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Represent the following sets in set builder form. First one, B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So this should be set by a rule. So how can we set that this using a rule? B is equal to some X, such that X is an Indian player who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So that will be the answer. The second one, C is equal to set of 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. How can we set this? We can set this by a rule like this. C is equal to X such that X is equal to here N. This one is N plus 1, comma, N is an element of natural numbers because 1, 2, 3 are natural numbers. Here this one is N plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So we can set this like this. C is equal to X such that X is equal to N by N plus 1, comma, N belongs to natural numbers. The third one is D is equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. This is in descriptive form. We need to change this in set builder form using a rule. So D is equal to X such that X is a Tamil month in a year. The next one is E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. This is also in descriptive form. We need to change this in set builder form, that is using a rule. So we can write this using a rule like this. E is equal to X such that X is an odd whole number less than 9. So we can get this answer. E is equal to set of X such that X is an odd whole number less than 9. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. This is the next question. The first one is P is equal to January, June and July. This one is in roster form. In roster form, all the elements in a set will be listed. Since all the elements are listed in this set, we can say this as a roster form. We can say this set is in roster form. So we need to change this to descriptive form. How can we change? When we look into these, we can find that all the months in this set start with a letter J. So we can define like this. P is the set of English months starting with letter J. So this will be the answer. The second one is Q is equal to set of 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. From this we can find that Q is a set defined in roster form. So since all the elements are listed, we can say this as roster form. Now we need to change the set to descriptive form. For that, we need to find the way in which it is listed. So these are all prime numbers. So what can we say? We can say Q is a set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. So we won't include 5 and 31. The numbers between 7 and 29. The numbers between 5 and 31 or 7 to 29. Otherwise, or else we can say that Q is a set of prime numbers from 7 to 29. That is also correct. Here we have written this answer. Q is a set of prime numbers between 5, the previous number, and the number after 29, that is 31. The next one is R is equal to X such that X is an element of natural numbers and X should be less than 5. This is in which form? This is in set builder form or tabular form. So this should be changed to descriptive form. How can we change this to descriptive form? In descriptive form, the set should be described in words. So we are going to describe this in words. The third one is R is the set of natural numbers less than 5. The fourth one is S is equal to set of X such that X is a consonant in English alphabets. So, how can we change this to descriptive form? We can say English consonants. So, S is a set of English consonants. That's all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.